Hey everybody, it's Chelsea and welcome to this video. The foundation I'm using today is the LANCOME Tint IDOLE Ultra Wear Foundation in the shade 520. I tried to apply how the big beauty YouTubers apply and they just squirt it directly to the face, but that didn't work for me. It was too messy, so I just took my brush and blended everything in. Now I'm going to show you how I highlight my brow bone. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer in the shade 6, and I'm just applying that underneath my brow bone, concealing. Also, I apply that on my eyelid and bring it down, just to make sure that everything is even. And once I do that, I apply Benai banana powder on top so that I won't have any creases when I put my eyeshadow on. I don't know about you all, but I know that I have oily eyelids, and this helps a lot when it comes to applying eyeshadow. The first color I'm going to use is this shimmery deep red eyeshadow color, and I'm going to just apply that all over my eyelid with a flat eyeshadow brush. If you've been watching my videos, then you know that most of my eyeshadows come from the Ultimate BH Cosmetics palette. I believe it's 252 colors. And I know I need new eyeshadow palettes, but homegirl is balling on a budget, so we're going to just use this for now. And the next color I'm taking that's going to be just in my crease is going to be a burgundy shade. It's matte, no shine, no shimmer. We want to just deepen up that crease. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before this video ends. Also, turn on your notification button so you can know when I post another video. The next shade that we're going to take is this gold color. As you can see, it's one of my favorite colors because it's barely there. And I'm going to just apply that just in the middle of my eye so it can give some pop to this eyeshadow look. I'm going back with that same ABH concealer, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and in the middle of my forehead. I'm using a small concealer brush to apply the concealer with, and then after that I go back with a damp beauty blender and just blend everything into my skin. I don't show blending in the concealer with the beauty blender in this video because I wanted to keep it short and sweet. However, I do show you how I bake, and I use the Benai powder, and I apply that underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and in the middle of my forehead. My eyes sometimes just like to do what they want, so excuse my lazy looking eyes. I look crazy, but it's all good. I don't remember what song I was singing, but while I bake, I like to sing. Now I'm taking a big fluffy brush and just dusting that all off. Again, excuse my lazy eyes because they look crazy. I'm going back with that same burgundy shade, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eye. I'm not sure what brush this is, but I do remember it being from Coastal Scents, and I love this brush because it applies like eyeshadow underneath the eye so easily. It's highlighter time. I'm going to take my MAC highlighter, I believe the shade is Gold Deposit, and I'm going to apply that on the bridge of my nose and on my cheeks and also on my brow bone. I'm going to zoom in the camera so you guys can really see this highlight, because right now this does not do justice. You really have to see this highlighter in person. It makes you shine, glow, and sparkle. This is the final look. All I did was apply my lashes and some lip gloss and some blush. Thank you all for watching this video. Again, make sure you subscribe and turn that notification button on. Until next time, see ya!